Hi everyone! In this video, we will make a gorgeous snowflake with 4 sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. I call it Angel's Feathers. This is totally easy, and I will also show you how to fold a concertina without having to flip the sheet. So grab an A4 sheet and start folding a concertina. First, fold the sheet in half. Now fold the bottom edge to the center. Again, the bottom edge to the line just marked. And now fold the same edge down. So the step of our concertina will be this wide. Now we'll be folding up and down. Lift the edge up along the line we already have and then fold it down. Up and down. Up and down again. Half of the sheet is folded. Of course, you can go the traditional concertina folding way, but I really love this technique. Now do the same on the other half. Edge up to the center, then edge to the line just marked, and just like before, down and up. Down and up. Down, up, and down for the last time. Now the whole sheet is in a concertina, and we're going to need 4 of them. Now more fun to come. Fold a concertina in half, and you're not gonna believe this, unfold it completely. Fold it in half lengthwise along the lines we already have. And now in half again, like this. Now place the sheet in front of yourself like that, edges on the right and fold on the left. Apply the ruler and make some marks at 8 centimeters and 3. So there's 5 centimeters space between them. On the opposite side, just 5 centimeters from the top. Now we're going to go by the fold lines of our concertina. Watch carefully. First, apply the ruler to the corner and the first mark and put the dot marks. Skip the first line and put a dot on the second. Skip and dot. Skip and dot. Now put the ruler to the marks of 5 and 3 centimeters. And put the dot marks in chess order, starting with the first fold line, then skip, then dot, skip, and the last dot. Now we'll draw feathers connecting these dots. Start at the top corner, like this. From the last dot, just continue the line downwards. Now cut along the lines you've just drawn. And let's make these edges round. And we get this. Now unfold the piece and fold it back into a concertina. We're almost there. Looks nice, doesn't it? Apply some glue on one of the feathers. Join the 2 halves, and voila! We've got an angel's wing. For the snowflake, we'll need 4 of them. Now let's join them together. Apply the glue generously. And attach the next part. Be really generous with the glue. It has to stick really well. Treat the edge of the last part, open the piece and press the edges together with your fingers. Looks totally amazing. I've also made a smaller snowflake and glued it on top of the first one. And to cover the hole in the center, let's roll a small ball of foil. And here it is. Check out the links to other snowflakes in the description to this video or in the pop-ups. Wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!